The white stork, often seen as a gentle messenger of life, hides a darker side of nature's survival strategy. When food is scarce or the brood is too large to sustain, the parent may turn on its weakest chick, often the smallest and frailest of the nest. In a grim but instinctive act, the stork consumes its own offspring, reclaiming vital nutrients to keep itself and the remaining chicks alive. This behavior, known as filial cannibalism, may seem cruel through human eyes, yet in nature, it is an act of desperate preservation. Within the elegance of the white stork lies a powerful truth that even life's most nurturing creatures must sometimes make unthinkable choices to ensure survival.